Better.
Better?
Are you kidding me? Alright, so we're in a parking lot in Mexico right now.
Oh shit!
Alright, what is up guys? This is my new camera stabilizer. Just came in the mail. It's actually from wish.com, you know, my favorite website, so unbox this real quick. Look at this. Look at this fancy packaging. Wish.com's treating me good. Okay. It's actually heavier than I expected. I got that briefcase, it's pretty ass, but let's unbox this thing. This was $27, so I'm not expecting the greatest. It's not terrible. There's a lot more roll than I thought there was gonna be. Well, I honestly didn't know what I expected. This is $27. Well, that was probably the easiest unboxing ever. So the plan right now is I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna meet up with Dylan with the Volkswagen, and I'm gonna try and get some cinematic shots with this wish.com camera stabilizer. And yeah, that's what's gonna go on. Damn! What? What the fuck?
It looks cool.
It does look cool.
That's all that matters.
The autofocus is fucking god awful. I am currently trying to calibrate the stabilizer and it's not really working too well. Seriously though, it is a good stabilizer. I'm just a dumbass. Well, I kind of spent the entire time trying to calibrate the stabilizer. My God. Jesus. At that point, I wouldn't even want McDonald's.
Yeah, bro.
Make sure you have no bubbles.
That's what, 5, 10 horsepower?
Can I drive it real quick?
You're probably loving this, aren't you? Dude, I wish I could floor my car.
Something will just fucking shatter.
Later.
Alright, so for this segment of the vlog, so I got lights that go on my tires, and we're just gonna try and get some rolling video of it and just see how they look, so. This is another wish.com.
Oh yeah.
How do they light up? How do you know when they light up?
I don't know for me.
Did you even test?
Nope.
You should be like trying out my, what's it called, my shitty stabilizer. And then just put a bunch of videos of this like just spinning around. Here, just start driving and see if they go. Are you kidding me? They just don't work at all. Damn, that fucking... Does it look like it's working a little bit?
I don't know, I don't see anything.
Maybe I'm just being hopeful. Oh, please remove battery stopper before use.
Yeah, it's flashing.
Here, go real quick. It's working.
I see it on the reflection.
go launch it right here.
The next day.
Yeah, so I got a turbo whistle from wish.com, and that's what we're about to put on Jack's BMW. And it's really early in the morning and I didn't get a lot of sleep, so that's why I'm not really that excited. This is the BMW that we're gonna put the turbo whistle on. It's got stock exhaust, so that's like our best bet to hear any sort of spool or whistle. Alright, before we get the turbo whistle, we're gonna stop at McDonald's for breakfast. B-roll. Got breakfast. It's not like the sunniest day out, but it's really like 55 degrees. So I'm headed inside my house right now. I'm gonna get the fake turbo whistle and we're gonna put it on Jack's BMW. All right, so we're in a parking lot in Mexico right now, and we're about to try out this fake turbo with. Which one should we put it on?
I don't think it really matters. Cause
Not gonna sound either way. Yeah.
Which one do you think is favorite, bro?
Yeah, I'm sure it just does that. And then one of the bolts just tightens down on it. Wait, we don't have anything to tighten that with.
so we're just gonna hand tighten it.
Yeah. That's all we really need, honestly.
All right, start the car and rev.
He is.
Oh!
It like actually kind of worked.
That terrible.
It like kind of works. Yeah. Do a donut, yeah. All right, there you go. Come on, bud. Launch it. Oh! You were so close.
Fuck, bro.
What?
Hey!
Can we turn right here?
Hey, fuck you!
Yeah, you can turn right here.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta go get something.
Oh, shit!
Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you liked the video. I certainly didn't because I wasn't in it again. Same with Zach Van. But we just chilling here. We living life. Subscribe to MakeShiftWill. He's coming up on 1,000.
Do it. It's free to subscribe. Man.
Fast. I'm not even subscribed.
We are 25 subscribers away from 1,000, so Zach over here is going to tell you
24
about
if
our
I
giveaway.
subscribe.
As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna have a raffle and we're gonna give y'all something special. All right, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna tell y'all what y'all need to do to enter the raffle. Hover boots. Boom.